In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple OneDrive accounts to your Windows 11 computer in just 5 minutes. Managing multiple accounts can be a bit daunting, but with this straightforward process, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate both your personal and professional lives into one system. Let's get started. First, we need to locate the OneDrive cloud icon. You can find this conveniently placed in your taskbar, typically in the bottom right corner of your screen. It looks like a small white cloud and it's your gateway to accessing your OneDrive settings. Once you click on the OneDrive cloud icon, direct your attention to the gear icon representing settings. This is usually positioned in the top corner of the OneDrive window that appears. Clicking this icon will provide you with a list of options where you want to choose settings. This action will open a new window with a handful of tabs that allow you to manage different aspects of your OneDrive experience. Next, look for the Account tab. This is where the magic happens when it comes to managing multiple OneDrive accounts. Selecting this tab will open up options related to the accounts currently linked to your OneDrive. Now navigate to the part where it says Add an Account. By clicking this, you'll initiate the process of adding a new account to your OneDrive settings. A sign-in window will appear. At this stage, you need to follow the on-screen prompts to log into the additional account you wish to add. This could be another Microsoft account, or one provided by your workplace or educational institution. If you are looking to add your work or school account, you're in luck. You can easily do this by selecting the option related to organizational accounts during the sign-in process. Work and school accounts are especially handy for keeping professional documents and collaboration separate from personal files. However, a key piece of information to remember is that you can only have one personal OneDrive account on each device. While this limitation might seem restrictive, it's designed to prevent possible conflicts and ensure smooth syncing across devices and accounts. Nonetheless, you can add multiple work or school accounts, which is great for those who juggle multiple professional roles or academic responsibilities. With everything set up, your additional accounts should now appear in your OneDrive settings. You can switch between them as you need, managing all your files with ease. And there you have it. A simple guide to managing multiple OneDrive accounts on your Windows 11 computer. With these steps, you can keep your work, school, and personal files organized and easily accessible. Remember to check your sync settings and ensure you've got ample storage available for all your vital documents. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your digital life.